Hello little learners, now it's time to do a fun worksheet. Are you ready? Let's start with part 1, mash the column. Let's mash the pictures and words. Our first word is hen. Can you find hen in column B? Yes. Match it now. Very good. Our second word is net. Where is net on the other side? Yeah, great matching. Our third word is bed. Can you find bed in the column B? Super job. Now our next word is bell. Where is bell in column B? Yes, you're right. Great matching. Wow, you mashed them all. You're so smart and so fast. Now it's time for part 2. Identify the picture. What do you see? It's a crayon. Its color is? Yes, red. Our word is red. What can you see, little learners? It's oval and it comes from a hen. What is it? Yes, it's an egg. Great job. What can you see? It's a dark and cozy place in the jungle. A lion lives here. Yes, it's a den, the lion's home. What can you see? It flies high in the sky. It goes vroom vroom. It is not a bird, not a balloon. It is a... Yes, it's a jet. Zoom zoom. Now it's time for part 3. We will fill in the missing letter in this. What can you see? Man. And what letter is missing in man? M, E. Yes, you're right. It's N. M-E-N. Men. What's there in the picture? It's showing a pet. Can you fill the blank now? The spelling of pet is P-E-T. Pet. The missing letter is E. Can you identify this word? This shows fed. F-E-D. What makes the sound eh? It's E. So we will write E. Next is, what is the lady doing? She is bagging. The word is bag. B-A-G. The sound is eh. What makes this sound? The letter E. So we will write E. Very nice. We have done part 3. Now it's time for the best part, part 4. Choose the correct option. It's time to look at the picture and choose the correct word. For picture 1, which word is correct? Tell, bell or hell? Take your time and tell me what is this? Yes, it's tell. Very good. Now, which word is correct? Is the picture a den, ten or men? Try this. Yes, you're right. It's a 10. It was super easy. Choose the correct option for this one. This shows wet, bed or hen. Yes, it's wet. Option A. Which word is correct here? Is it A. fed, B. wet or C. keg? Yes, you're right. This picture shows keg. Very good. You did a great job today.
In the next lesson, we will study the short I sound. Till then, practice and learn with smile.